Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we are Smart Traveler TV, the channel for travelers who know how to explore wisely. Today we're diving into one of the most magical cities in the world, Paris. But here's the twist, we're going to spend the whole day without spending a single euro. Yes, you heard that right, not even €1. Let's get started. Morning. Start your day with a wonderful walk along the Seine River. Peaceful, scenic, and completely free. You'll see famous bridges and the Eiffel Tower glowing in the morning light. Don't forget your camera or mobile phone. After lingering a bit in front of the Eiffel Tower and snapping some photos, we'll head toward Notre Dame Cathedral. Although it's still under restoration, the exterior of Notre Dame is absolutely worth seeing. You can stroll around the island of Île de la Cité and soak in the medieval atmosphere. This magnificent structure will surely impress you. Midday, from Notre Dame, walk south of the Seine toward Les Invalides. This grand complex houses Napoleon's tomb and boasts stunning Baroque architecture you can admire from the outside. Completely free, and the wide green lawns around it are perfect for resting and enjoying the day. After taking in the historic sights, head back to the river and find a quiet bench. You'll feel the heartbeat of Paris, enjoy the breeze, and take a completely free break that will leave you refreshed. Afternoon, craving some culture, then Petit Palais is a must. It's a beautiful building and free to enter. Inside, you'll find impressive artworks, sculptures, and breathtaking architecture. In the afternoon, climb up to Montmartre. Take the stairs to Sacré-Cœur and enjoy the panoramic view of Paris. The energy here is incredible. There's always music, art, and the magic of the city in the air. Evening, finish your day at Trocadero. As the sun sets and the Eiffel Tower begins to sparkle, you'll understand why Paris is called the City of Light. We started this beautiful day with the Eiffel Tower and ended it with the Eiffel Tower. And the best part? We didn't spend a single euro. If you enjoyed this free day in Paris, give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and budget-friendly adventures. Got other free gems in Paris to recommend? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.